Officer Whiskers is faced with a new case. A beloved kitten has gone missing. The family is heartbroken. Their kitten, Mittens, has vanished without a trace. Whiskers and Hoot are determined to find Mittens. They start by gathering clues. The shadow cat has a reputation for being mischievous. Whiskers believes he might have something to do with Mittens' disappearance. Whiskers demands answers from the shadow cat. The shadow cat denies any involvement. Mittens is safe. He was accidentally locked in the sewer pipe. Whiskers has saved the day. The family is grateful for his help. Officer Whiskers continues to protect the city and its citizens. He's a true hero.